How to convert your Google Docs to PDF for free. Here are 3 easy ways to do it. Method 1. Convert directly in Google Docs. Open your document in Google Docs. Click File in the top left corner. Hover over Download. Then select PDF Document, PDF. Done. Your document will be saved as a PDF file. Want to convert Google Docs to PDF automatically? Here's how to build an automation workflow. Go to make.com and log in or sign up for a free account. Click Create a new scenario and give it a name. Add Google Drive. Choose Download a file. Choose Select Form List, and then select the document you want to convert. Click Save. Next, add ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Choose Word to PDF. Create a task. You'll need a license key. Don't worry, just sign up for a free ComPDF API account and you'll get 1,000 free conversions per month. Go to the API dashboard, find your API key, copy it, and paste it back into Make. Click Save. Then, add Upload a file. Add Start a task. Add a repeater from the Flow Control section. Add Get File Information. Now set up 2 routers. One for tools. If the file is not ready, it will try again. One for HTTP. When the file is ready, it returns the download link. After the HTTP step, add Google Drive again. Choose Upload a file. Set your target folder to save the result. Note: Google Drive can't directly upload from a URL, so you need to choose this option in here. Add a parse JSON module. Use Add Error Handler. Choose Commit. That's it. Now click Run once. Wait a few seconds, and once the step shows 1, your file will be saved in Google Drive. You can open it and download the PDF. Bonus tip: save Google Docs as PDF on iPhone. Open the Google Docs app on your iPhone. Open the document you want to convert. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Share and Export. Then send a copy. In the pop-up, choose PDF. Then tap Save to Files. Open your Files app, and you'll find the PDF there.